Have you ever thought about how nice it would be to earn money while you sleep? Imagine not relying on a paycheck alone but having extra streams of income coming in, giving you the freedom to save, invest, or even take that vacation you've been dreaming of. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's actually more achievable than you might think, even if you're just starting out. Today we're diving into 5 beginner-friendly passive income streams you can start in 2025 to get that extra cash flowing. Let's get into it. Introduce passive income and why it matters. Before we jump into the list, let's quickly cover why passive income matters. Passive income is money you earn with minimal ongoing effort. Think of it as building a financial safety net. While it might not make you an overnight millionaire, it can help you worry less about money and reach your financial goals faster. With just a bit of upfront work, these income streams can start generating income in the background, making it easier to save, invest, or cover unexpected expenses. So, let's get to the fun part. The 5 best passive income ideas you can start right now. Alright, number 1 on our list, dividend stocks. Now, if you're new to investing, the idea of stocks might feel a bit intimidating, but dividend stocks are actually beginner-friendly and can provide regular income just for holding on to them. Here's how it works. When you buy shares of a dividend-paying company, you get a portion of their profits regularly, kind of like getting a bonus check just for being a shareholder. Take companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, which have a long history of paying dividends. In fact, the average dividend yield in the US is around 2 to 3% per year. So if you invest $1,000 in a stock with a 3% dividend yield, that's an extra $30 a year without you doing a thing. It might not sound like a lot at first, but with more shares and time, these payments really start to add up. Next up is rental income, and I'm not talking about buying an entire property. Thanks to platforms like Airbnb, you can rent out a room or even your car with very little initial investment. In 2024, the average Airbnb host in the US earned around $13,800 per year. That's a solid extra income if you have some extra space. Or if you're not into hosting, consider renting out things you own but don't use all the time, like a bike, camera, or even your car. Peer-to-peer rental sites like Turo make this super easy, allowing you to set your rates and choose who can rent your items. It's a great way to make your things work for you instead of just collecting dust. High-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. Alright, number 3, high-yield savings accounts or CDs. These are straightforward and very low risk. High-yield savings accounts pay much more than traditional ones, some as high as 4% annually. And if you're looking for a slightly higher return without the stock market's ups and downs, a certificate of deposit or CD could be a good option. Here's a tip: start with a high-yield account for quick access to your cash, or consider a CD if you can lock it in for a set term. The beauty of this is that there's zero maintenance after setting it up. You just sit back and let your money grow. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy social media or have a blog, this one's for you. Affiliate marketing lets you earn money by promoting products or services from brands. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. Amazon, for example, offers an affiliate program where you can earn up to 10% on any purchase made through your link. Imagine you write a blog post about your favorite tech gadgets. Include your affiliate links, and you're set. This stream can grow quickly if you build an audience. And the great thing is, there's no cap on what you can earn. Last but not least, let's talk about digital products or online courses. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a graphic designer, or even an amazing home cook, you probably have knowledge others would pay for. Digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses allow you to share that knowledge and keep earning long after the work is done. Plus, it's easier than ever to sell digital products online with platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. For example, you could create a simple beginner's guide to budgeting ebook. Charge $10 per download, and with just 50 sales a month, that's $500 of passive income. So, there you have it. 5 simple passive income streams you can start building in 2025. Remember, each of these options takes a bit of initial work, but the payoff can be well worth it. Start small, be consistent, and watch as your money begins to work for you. Which income stream are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos on money-making tips for beginners. Until next time, keep building that financial freedom.